The PeopleSoft Fluid Grants Management homepage provides grants administrators access to new content, a series of actionable tiles and pivot grids, along with the grants navigation collections and the WorkCenter. The Grants Management homepage shows you a quick count of the number of tasks coming due, approaching end dates and expirations within the next 90 days. Award analysts and research administrators can review and update award milestones and certifications, prioritized by due date. Additional tiles let you see pre-award spending amounts, expiring letters of credit, as well as funds and awards approaching their end dates. You can use the Grants Management homepage to prioritize tasks required by your sponsor and proactively monitor funding, the status of deliverables, and periods of performance. We'll walk through the tiles on the Grants Management homepage, but first, let's review the criteria for displaying awards using My Preferences. Use My Preferences to filter awards that are important to you. Enter a business unit to see information on the homepage. You can monitor awards starting after a specific date or leave this field blank. You can follow a particular principal investigator or all PIs. If you work with particular sponsors, you can filter results for one or more sponsors or awards with a selected status. Select the Award Teams tile to see the people associated with your awards. The awards displayed here meet the criteria under My Preferences, as do all the tiles on the home page. From this page, add resources by selecting the related actions next to the project. Resources are identified by project. In this example, Project 230 is associated with Award 103. Here, options are available to update an award or contract. We'll update an award. When you update an award, a new window opens in Classic Plus. Deploying Classic Plus gives you a consistent presentation of information across fluid and non-fluid components. Next, we'll use the Award Milestones tile to view and take action on the milestones coming due in the next 90 days. You can filter data in the pivot grid by using facets such as milestone priority and milestone type. Milestones coming due are grouped in 30-day chunks. This lets you quickly identify milestones due in the next 30 days and separate them from those in the next 60 or 90 days. Grouping actions in 30-day increments is common throughout the Grants Management homepage. Now, let's update a milestone. Here, you can change the due date and update the status and comments fields. When you save the changes, the completion date and completed by fields automatically update. The Notify action lets others know that the milestone is coming due. Here, the system populates the subject line and message text for you. The Award Certifications tile lets you review and update certifications expiring in the next 90 days. You can filter information based on a specific expiration date or other attributes, such as PI and sponsor. Select the related action, Update Certification, to update various attributes related to the certification, including the expiration date. The Expiring LOC Funds tile lets you review and take action on letters of credit expiring in the next 90 days. Several contract-related attributes are available for filtering information, such as LOC ID, LOC Document ID, and End Date. The pivot chart provides 3 significant pieces of information for the letter of credit: the billing limit or funded amount, the billing amount processed, and the available funds. Expiring LOCs are categorized in 30-day increments. This allows you to differentiate between available funds that are getting ready to expire in the next 30 days and funds expiring in the next 60 or 90 days. Use related actions to access pages within Project Costing to review cost and billing transactions, or other pages within Grants and Contracts to update awards and contracts. The Preaward Spending tile shows you an aged view of the amount spent before the award has been granted by the sponsor. You can filter information for specific projects and activities or specific transaction dates. The pivot grid provides a summarized view of the amounts spent. The View Transaction Detail action lets you drill into transaction-level detail and more on the spend amount for project costing. Select Generate Award to review the amount of pre-award spending just before generating the award. The Awards Expiration tile lets you review and take action on your awards set to expire in the next 90 days. Use the left-hand panel to quickly see the number of awards set to expire in the next 30, 60, and 90 days. Now, let's extend the end date for an award using the Modify End Dates action. This utility allows you to update end dates across 3 applications: grants, contracts, and project costing. Updating all these end dates from a single page saves you time entering data and reduces data inconsistencies. In this example, we'll update all the end dates. The new end date appears on all the selected sections. Let's save the changes and navigate back to the home page. You can access the Grants Navigation Collection using the Grants tile. This navigation collection is a list of the most frequently used menus in the Grants application. Navigate directly to the Grants WorkCenter with the Grants WorkCenter tile. Now, let's go to the Customer Contracts Fluid homepage. The Customer Contracts homepage provides contract administrators, revenue analysts, and billing professionals access to billing, revenue, and other contract-level information. This homepage also provides the My Contracts tile, the Contracts WorkCenter tile, and the Customer Contracts tile. The Grants Management and Customer Contracts homepage provides you with a Fluid-enabled launching point into the Grants and Contracts applications. The Fluid user interface promotes self-service, providing your organization the opportunity to get non-PeopleSoft users involved in pre- and post-award administration. With the deployment of Classic Plus, the Grants Management homepage and the related actions demonstrate how PeopleSoft delivers a consistent view to users across both Fluid and non-Fluid components. For more information, go to PeopleSoftInfo.com.